beauties, welcome back. Today I'll be doing a try on haul for you, and these dresses are from ASOS and it's their summer dresses. So let's go. The first dress is this yellow dress, and it's a midi dress. Of course, it's a midi sundress, and the actual shade is called chartreuse. It's also a dress that does not fit tightly on your body, so it's perfect for very hot days. And I love that buckle detail at the front, and it ties around the neck so you can adjust it to however you want. It fits the boobs really, really nicely, as you can see right there. And it's just overall a lovely dress for the summer. What they say, guys, when it's nice you do it twice. I have this dress in a yellow shade because I love it so much. This one is a green, and it's a scallop detail dress with a strap that goes along the back. Oh, so sexy. And then it has that slit at the side, perfect for date night. I love the scallop detail on this dress. It fits perfectly. It sits so nicely on the body, so this is why I had to get the green in it, of course. And I cannot wait to wear this dress. It's such a beautifully and nicely constructed dress. Perfect. I can't say any more about this dress. Just take in the details, you guys. Just take it all in. Next up we have is this ruched bandeau midi dress, and as you can see it has a slit at the front right there, and it's quite stretchy as well, so it will fit you really, really nicely if you're a little plumper than I am, if that's the correct word. I'm not quite sure what words you can use nowadays to describe one's body, but if you're a little bit, if you have more meat on your bones than I do, then this dress will stretch to fit. This is a size 8 for reference, a US size 6. I love how it sits on top of the boobs right there. And of course, it comes with a jacket. So if you're getting a bit chilly in the evenings, you just throw on your jacket. The jacket is long sleeved, and it's all the way down. It goes all the way down to the ankles. So look at that, you guys. This is the perfect set if you go out on a, nice summer's afternoon or evening and it gets a bit chilly. You have something to throw over your shoulders. Very, very nice set all together. All right, so next up we have this one shoulder strap detail floral mini dress. I also have this dress in another color. I think I have it in yellow, like a full-on yellow, no florals. But I loved the dress so much I had to get it. Guys, you should know me by now. If I like something, I will get it in all the colors that's available. So I got this in the floral. Such a stunning dress with all the lovely reds and pinks. I have a thing for florals, guys. I do. So this dress is absolutely beautiful. It has a ruching at the side, one sleeve with a string that goes down the back. Fits really nicely, not too tight and not too loose. Perfect. All right, guys, so let me quickly explain this dress. Now, this dress, I bought it because I thought it was a stretchy material, but it turns out that it's made from 100% polyester. And if you know, polyester doesn't really have any stretch. Now, this dress is called a Midaxi pencil dress, and it's in the color lime zebra. I absolutely love that bandeau effect at the top. Any dress that has bandeau is bandeau style. I am all for it, but it doesn't zip up at the back because it doesn't stretch. So that's a bummer. But it's a really, really nice dress, you guys. I love this dress so much. So guys, basically, I love this dress, but when I bought it, I thought it was a stretch material, and so I cannot zip the back. So I will have to get a size 10. This is a size 8. Hopefully I can get a size 10 because I really love the look of this dress. I love the animal print with the green and the black. So I'm hoping that I can get a size 10 in it. So what I'm going to do is wrap this up real quick after this video and send it back to ASOS. But I love this dress so much. I mean, darling. And it gives my booty that look. And then it has a slit. It's like a midi dress. So it's like a mini and it's like a maxi and a midi dress. So hopefully I can get a size 10 in this dress because yes, darling, it's giving me life. And it has some sort of ruching here as well, which is good if you've got a little something right here. And I love dresses where my shoulders are like, yes, darling. When you highlight right here, you're gonna be, yes, ready for summer. Guys, what is going on? Another dress that does not fit, and I love it so much. I was hoping that I could wear this, you know, for an evening out or like for a function or for somebody's wedding. Wink, wink. Anybody getting married, let me know. But it doesn't fit. It cannot zip at the back. So I don't know what's going on with my midsection. I might have to work harder on that. But I will have to see if I can get a size 10. I don't know how the size 10 is going to fit because the rest of the dress fits perfectly. It's just at the back, it's a little bit too tight, so it's not zipping up. And it's a beautiful dress, darlings. Let me show you. This is the bottom of the dress, you guys. Perfect. Look how long that dress is. And then I love the off-the-shoulder detail, but it just doesn't zip in the back. Look how beautiful the flowers are. You've got the greens and the pinks, and the dress is sort of like a baby blue or sky blue. Beautiful. Then it has a slit up the leg. So if you want to show some leg action, yes, darling. But I want to see if I can get the bigger size, if I can get a size 10, because I adore this dress. I do adore this dress. This is another dress I had to fight to get into. It doesn't have any zipper, which is really annoying, and it's not a very stretchy dress, so it doesn't give you that option of really stretching it so you can get it on. And the neck is kind of high as well, but it's such a beautiful dress. I love the details. I love the ruching or the rouging, whatever the word is. I love the details on the sleeve and in the front here. It's such a beautiful pop of neon pink, perfect for the summer. And it's a knee length. It's just over the knee, just stops over the knees. Sorry guys, it got a bit dark. It stops just a bit over the knees, so this will look really nice with some strappy sandals for the summer. But it's such a lovely, beautiful pop of pink, and pink on dark skin is perfect. So I don't know if I should go a size up on this. I mean, the fit is perfect, you guys. The fit is perfect, but it was such a hard dress to put on. Honestly, like I was out of breath by the time I was finished putting this on, but it fits nicely, I have to say. I don't think I should go a size up because maybe that will be too big, but it's a beautiful pop of pink dress, neon pink. Yes, ready for the summer, darling. But yes, this is my favorite part of the dress. Can you see that? Oh, the details. I love these kind of shoulders. The details, darling, the details. What do you think? I love it. It's not very, very stretchy, but it's stretchy enough. It just needed a zipper in the back. If it had a zipper in the back, it would have been perfect. Perfecto. Perfect. But yes, this is the dress.